and welcome. Today's video we're going to be unboxing our Bella Skin box for the month. You guys know I love this box. It's all about self-care, self-love, all of that. So before we jump into the video, as always guys, if you're new here, hi, hello, and welcome. My name's Ron, and over here we always embrace a hot mess because it's a judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone where we sit back, relax, we have a good time, and we're all about the positivity. So hopefully if you're having a rough day, by the end of today's video, your day will brighten up just a little bit. So anyways guys, don't forget to follow me over on Instagram. I'm still trying to get that 10K swipey uppy. I upload all the time over here Monday through Friday at 12:15 Eastern time, weekends at 9 p.m. And then I have a second channel where I upload Tuesdays and Thursdays at 9 p.m. My channel over there is called HOTMESSMOMMAMD Vlogs. Love to have you as part of our family. And let's just go ahead and jump on into a little information about what exactly the Bella Skin box is. Okay guys, so a little information about Bella Skin Box. I'm going straight off of the Bella Skin Box website. It says, open up a box of skincare. Subscribe today and receive up to $150 in total for only $35 per month, and that does include free shipping. Each Bella Skin Box is filled with cruelty-free skincare products and beauty tools. We will bring you a variety of different brands each month with full-size products to help you discover the many ways you can enhance your skincare regimen. So let's go ahead and jump into everything. So here's the inside of the box. You are going to get a card giving you information about the month of the box as well as the retail value of the box. It looks like we have a Black Friday sale coming up as well, but it does give you information of everything inside the box, the retail value, and a little information. And I feel like I literally just repeated myself. I think it's like the 5th video of the day, so bear with your girl, guys. I was like, that sounds really familiar. Anyways, the first item I see here is a set of 5. And these are the strawberry lip masks. Now, I want to say I've seen these in other boxes. I love lip masks. I actually just did another unboxing and there was a form of lip mask in there. And the nice thing about lip masks, especially if you were someone like me who has lip filler, they have typically a hyaluronic acid in here or something that helps to plump the lips. And if you have lip fillers, they will actually help to prolong the hyaluronic acid, help to prolong your fillers. Fun fact. So especially with the winter months, these are great. Exfoliate your lips, slap one of these on, and you're gonna have nice, soft, plump looking lips. These 5-pack is $16. It says kiss lackluster lips goodbye, plump, hydrate, and lighten dark spots with this daily lip mask packed with high impact ingredients that deliver a healthy looking pout. The ideal pre-treatment for lip liner, lipstick, and lip gloss to prevent flaking and color bleeding. I love those. Okay, next in here, I like getting these. I really like getting these, especially for those hard to reach places. This is the After Spa back scrubber with handles. Oh, that's really nice. So let's just go ahead and open this up. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Like, how cool is that? You have little handles. So this is what it looks like. My son bebopped right back into this room again, guys. So if you hear any noise or anything, like me laughing hysterically because he's literally dancing behind the camera. So this is what it looks like. It's a nice exfoliating type of material, and it'll make it easier to get back there and get those dead skin cells off your back. So we love that. A little information about this item. It does say that it does have a retail value of $9. Exfoliate the full body. Ooh, you could do like your legs too. Okay, I'm all over the place. It makes it hard when you have somebody behind the camera. Yeah. Everybody say hi to my 16-year-old. Okay, so a little information about this. It does have the retail value of $19. It says exfoliate full body, including the hard to reach areas, with the cloth covered sponge made from exfoliating cotton. It says deep cleanse your skin and stimulate the circulation, accompanied by a great massage. Love that. Absolutely love that. Especially like I've been having sore muscles with working out, so I'm all about that. The next item I see in here is Clean Slate 3-in-1 Makeup Removing Cleansing Balm and Radiant Sleep Mask. Oh, use your muscles. There we go. Ooh, I am intrigued. Okay, so there's not a scent. This is what the inside looks like. Oh, I'm gonna love this. I love balms. Like I do double cleanses. Obviously when I have makeup on. When I don't do that. I don't want to waste it. But this ingredient has mango butter, grapeseed, rose hemp, pomegranate. I love the fact that I can literally like read everything on here as far as the ingredients goes. So this is what the jar looks like. You do get a good size amount of this. It does say melt a half a pea size amount onto the fingers, tips, and press into the face, neck, and lips. Sleep tight. Rinse off in the morning with a warm cloth. That's to use it as a sleeping mask. Cleansing and makeup remover use. Melt a small pea size amount onto your fingers. Massage into your face, dry, lips and neck, all over the lids. Remove with a warm wet rag. So that's really nice. A little information about this item. So this says it's by Me Time Botanicals. So I called it Clean Slate, but it is by Me Time Botanicals. It does have a retail value of $35. It's a multi-functioning formula that lifts away dirt, melts makeup, draws out the pollutants while plumping, moisturizing, and softening. Skin removes all makeup, even mascara. A long wear formula doubles as a sleeping mask, nightly moisturizes to promote glowy, moisturized complexions. It softens fine lines and wrinkles and promotes a healthy skin barrier. Plus, it encourages cellular rejuvenation. It plumps the skin by locking in moisture and preventing transepidermal water loss. Wow. Formulated for all skin types and perfect for sensitive skin. So I'm pretty excited. I forgot to tell you guys, the exfoliator doohickey actually came with this, so I can attach it to my shower, which that's pretty nice. Okay, so the next item in here is by, is it Dahlia Skin? Yeah, Dahlia Skincare Rejuvenating Serum. So how cute is this? Like, I gotta show you guys the box. So here's the box. Look at that. It's like got fruits and stuff. I just think these are just too cute. So let's open the box and then I'll read you guys a little information. Oh, how pretty is that? Like, aesthetically pleasing. Absolutely. Like, isn't that so cute? I just feel like it would always, like, these little things are so cute to like set on the side of your sink and stuff. So anyways, that is what it looks like. A little information about this. It does have a retail value of it's $30. So it's a rejuvenating serum, retail value $30. The softening blend of natural oils is great for all skin types. Its formula is lightweight and helps soften skin, leaving it silky with a natural glow from within. Rub gently onto your face and neck after moisturizing daily or as often as desired. I love that. That's so pretty. Okay. And then I do see one more item in here, guys. So you get a lot of stuff for $35. So the next item is by Skin & Co. Again, another brand that I love to see. This is the Truffle Therapy Eye Concentrate. It does have a retail value of $30. Now this does say it is the travel size, but I mean, honestly, that's a good amount. I mean, it's an eye cream. You know what I mean? Yeah, that's actually a good amount, and there's no dipping down in here or anything like that. So you're getting a lot in here. 0.23 fluid ounces, 7 ml. This is made in Italy. Retail value $30. Created to target the appearance of tired eyes, puffiness, bags, dark circles, and signs of aging. Truffle Therapy Eye Concentrate has been perfected through the decades of research to hydrate, nourish, and rejuvenate the delicate eye contour. Formulated with antioxidants, essential fatty acids, vitamins to protect against free radicals and environmental damage, and hydrolyzed fruit extract to energize and reveal brighter eyes. Truffle Therapy Eye Concentrate works best as part of the Truffle Therapy regimen to achieve glowing results. I'm pretty excited about that. You guys know I love Skin Co. I'm trying to think. I know we've seen it a lot in here and maybe in our BoxyCharm. I can't remember. I know the body wash is like heaven sent. So that is everything in this box. Again, this box is $35, and this particular box with everything that I showed you guys today does have a retail value of $120. It says this box is the November box, so if you are interested in getting your hands on it, definitely go over, check out the Bella Skin website down below. I think I have a $5 off coupon. Definitely check my description box. It's not an affiliate code or anything like that. It's just a way you guys can save some money off your first box. They do have a Black Friday sale. It says take 30% off our shop. Use the code BLK Friday. Sale date is November 26th to November 30th. So I will definitely try and get this edited and uploaded to you guys ASAP. So let me know you guys' thoughts as far as this box goes. You guys know I love this box. I love the whole self-care aspect of it. It like almost forces you to take a minute for yourself and to unwind and relax and just focus on you. And I think that for me as a mom, that is something I'm constantly like go, 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 go for everybody else. So I love getting these boxes where I can just like relax and focus on me, you know? Anyways, guys, leave me a comment down below if you enjoyed this box. What was your favorite item in the box? Do you receive this box, and do you plan to give this box as a gift? This is something that I've told you guys since the time that I started unboxing this. I think this would make an excellent, excellent box to give. Anyways, friends, like I said, check my description box down below for the giveaways. I have two, one over on Instagram, one on YouTube. All information will be listed down below, as well as to sign up for your monthly Bella Skin box and to save money off your first box. And I guess that's it. Hopefully you decide to stick around, subscribe. YouTube's changing up the algorithm again, so I know you guys aren't getting notified. So just check my channel out. I'm here every single day, either at 12:15 Eastern time through the week or at 9 p.m. on the weekends. And I'd love to have you as part of our family. And don't forget to follow me over on Instagram. My daughter has a channel as well. I'm hopping off. I'm rambling. I'm gonna go make some peanut butter pie for Thanksgiving. My kids love that. Until next time, friends, as always, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye, guys.